What's that, Mama?
Ito sana bibilhin ko. Ito na lang?
Huh?
Ito na lang?
Ikaw.
Seasoning sauce.
It's up to you. Ikaw.
You wanna drive?
I'm lazy. Ikaw na lang.
Okay.
Ikaw na lang, Mama.
Alin ang mas maganda, ito o ito?
Alin ang mas maganda? Ito o ito?
Parang ito o, mas puno.
Ito na lang. Ito na lang.
Okay. Marunong palapit. Oh.
May humihingi ng avocado.
Uy, very good.
Yummy, yum, yum.
Yum yummy.
What about the last slice? Para kay Hiro ko na lang?
Oo nga.
Para kay Hiro na lang? And I just wanna add that na lang doesn't always mean instead. Halimbawa, may nag-offer sa'yo ng tulong, but you don't need the help and you want to say, thank you though. Salamat na lang. Salamat na lang. Let's say someone offered you a ride and you want to say, susunduin ako ng kapatid ko. Salamat na lang. Thank you though. So now you're done. Where are we gonna go?
We'll go home and eat.
We're not gonna do the groceries. Bukas na lang.
Bukas na lang.
Bukas na lang. We're gonna do it tomorrow instead.
Yeah.
Okay, let's
go
go.
and eat.
Why? Are you hungry? Ako rin, gutom na rin ako.
Hindi rin kaya ako kumain.
Pauwi pa lang kami. Pauwi
At
pa lang kami.
mag-aalmusal.
And we need to eat.
We'll take our breakfast.
Let's go home.
Nakita ko na, naalaala ko yung damit.